PBL is at the core of our pre-clerkship curriculum at JABSOM. First implemented here in 1989, PBL has continued to evolve to reflect the local culture, healthcare system, and medical advances. Students meet twice a week in small groups with a faculty mentor and work through patient scenarios. Groups are comprised of specific roles that rotate each session, including facilitator, reader, board person, Googler, and uploader. Students are presented with an undifferentiated patient with a chief complaint relevant to the unit's subject matter. The first step is identifying the facts and problems. From there, students collaborate to hypothesize some potential causes or diagnoses. This promotes critical thinking and dynamic teamwork. Next, we think about what additional information we need to know better to understand the patient and their needs, narrow down our differential diagnosis list, and ultimately provide the best care for the patient. This may include questions for the patient and family, labs, imaging, and other diagnostics. Before moving on to the next page, we determine if there are any learning issues or topics that we might want to learn more about to better care for this patient. These can be clinical, biological, populational, or behavioral. Each case challenges the students to evaluate patients holistically and learn about socio-cultural determinants of health, as well as the physiological effects of disease. At the end of each PBL session, students choose specific learning issues that they would like to study and create a handout for their classmates to present at the following PBL session. This process fosters self-directed learning and allows students to explore various teaching styles and methods. The PBL model is unique, interactive, and engaging, and pushes students to start thinking like physicians. It builds a strong foundation that helps to make the transition to clerkship smooth. It is often regarded as one of the highlights of JABSOM's curriculum by students. Here are a few student testimonials we would like to share.
One of the reasons I really enjoy the PBL process is it really personalizes medicine, and we go through specific cases and there's a name associated with each case, and we really think of the patients that are in our cases as actual people, and I just really like that personable factor in the PBL curriculum.
And the PBL process I personally like. I know that there are schools that do more didactic learning and lectures, and I guess it depends on how you learn. But for me, I think kind of doing my self-learning and forcing me to think in that way has helped me grow as a critical thinker. And kind of just being able to see different scenarios in terms of the cases we're presented in our PBLs, I think kind of helps my mind to adapt a little more to the clinical setting, which in the long run I think is super helpful in my career in the future.